going. You see them?
Yeah.
Okay. If you guys, if you guys have time, draw what you see, okay? Give me a little tiny drawing. Is that cool? We've had a lot of authors work hard on creating articles, but another thing we need are videos. These videos will be shorter to create. They will feature you as a scientist. Well, we got to go meet an engineer, and her job is to break buildings. Oh my gosh. And she actually builds models just like you guys. And then she has a lab at her college where they have a shake table and they break stuff. Do you guys want to meet her on the film?
Yeah.
Okay, so we couldn't bring her here today, so we brought a film of her, and then we'll keep working on our buildings that are just like what she does, building her models, because we got to get ready for our big shake today, right? Okay.
So when we do these sort of small-scale projects, we want our structure to be stiffer because, like these long waves, we want it to affect less.
And Tesla came along and pounced on our building and created a giant cat earthquake.
And what we'll do is we'll try and match up what you do as a scientist and what you research on as a scientist with the specific next generation science standards that these articles are on. It's looking pretty sturdy. I'm liking it.
So we really want to see.
Go. Here we go. So for instance, we have just gotten a response from someone that studies dragonflies. And there's a 3rd grade article all about insects and their life cycles. And so then we'll work with her to try and make a short video talking about those topics and how she as a scientist gets to work and how she loves doing her job. And you're talking to 8-year-olds, so it doesn't have to be too technical. One of you in your team is going to be sighting the rocket, okay? We're trying to give the STEMTaught Journal a fun, real-life connection to scientists in the field. And why not have every one of those videos be a black scientist? Ever since June 1st, the past 3 nights, I haven't been able to sleep very well because I've wanted to help. I've wanted to do something. And because we're in so many schools, because we're working with these young, impressionable minds, I just thought, how in the world can I find more black scientists to feature in our program? And more than that, kids love little videos. Usually when we film scientists, we'll drive to the university, we'll do the filming, and with COVID, that's all different. So I'm hoping that we could have you help us make a video about your amazing self that we can then share with these students that are hungry to see their own identity and culture on film. They want to see that they can become scientists. They want to see that these STEM fields are accessible. And I've always felt that kids are the world's best scientists. They have the best questions, the most wonderful ideas. They just have to know that it's accessible to them. And the last 6 years, we have been working on creating just a magical, wonderful, beautiful way kids can engage with science. And the STEMTaught Journal is there because we've had over 100 different university students submit their work and their research and write articles to these kids. So we're so happy whenever we get a new author to work on this program with us, because all their diversity is truly what makes the STEMTaught Journal valuable for these students of all nationalities. And they need to see themselves represented. And like I said, in the classroom, when these kids get to read these articles or see these authors in a video, their eyes are they're this big. And then after they get to participate in the activities and the videos, they just spontaneously clap. It's really quite moving when you're getting to work with them and you see how much they adore getting to do science. So all of this wonder comes to them through STEMTaught and the STEMTaught Journal. We work to try and share with our authors what's going on in the classroom so they can see how their work is impacting all these students across the nation. It's a really fun project to be a part of.